Don't cry, don't cry. I just want him to be happy. I don't know how many more years Daddy has. Even though he's a hellraiser, we all love him. But I want him to enjoy this day. God upstairs, Leonard prayed. If it don't rain, it's going to be beautiful. And that
it's
rug
not.
right there, I'm going to take the other one from the porch and put it here so people won't get all that.
You have your faith. Father will enjoy. It's going to be a beautiful day.
Times we might not see eye to eye, and there are times when we'll have differences. We can't be around too long before we fight, but it's okay, 'cause I love it. There are times when you don't know how you're gonna make it through. I know I've been there too. You can always rest assured. Don't be ashamed to share with me. See, I am your family.
Hey, baby. Hey. Daddy deserved this day here. And you know what? I thank the Lord that we live to see my daddy get 90 years old. And that's a good man's fault. And I'm 70, and I hope that I live to be as old as daddy. Still got my good health and strength and my mind. That's right. That's right, because you got that mind. Daddy used to always tell me that, sure, I hope I keep my mind and able to move around and walk and sleep. He said, if I got that, I can make it. So he's still every day should be a family reunion. We should speak from the heart, and let love be the solution. Let us forgive. Put the past out of the way. No time to wait. The time has come to give love every day. There are times, those times when you need to be heard, and there are days, some days when the pain is beyond words. You hold it in, you run, you hide, cling on to pride, when deep down you want to cry. When a secret needs revealing, and there are those who know exactly what you're feeling. Come on home, there's always room, someone to share everything that your girl went through. Every day should be a family. It should be a family reunion. We should speak in the morning, from the heart, in the evening, and let love be the solution. Let us forgive. Give the best out of the way. Got no time to wait. The time has come, so give love every day. A family reunion. We speak from the heart. So glad to see you. And you know that we should forgive. Put the past out of the way. Every day. No time to wait. The time to give love every day. Let's get on, y'all. Let's get on, y'all.
This is his daughter. Uncle Ralph died in December, am I right?
Yes.
He was the baby. My father is the last Blair that's living of his mother's and father's children. This is my father's brother, Uncle CL's daughter, Sandy. There was 3 children. She's the last of the 3 children. This is Aunt Florine. This is my father's sister's daughter. This gentleman right here is my father's oldest brother's son. That's Bootsie's brother, if y'all know Bootsie. So you're looking at this, and myself. Now, if there are any other children that my father, Rick is coming, Rick is Uncle Ralph's children. Now, the Blair generation is strong-blooded. When I talk to my cousin Ricky, I talk to him every other day. And this is what Ricky said. Ricky, what you always say, we are Blairs. Am I right? Ricky always said, we are Blairs. We are proud to be a Blair. Am I right, Ricky?
Yes, sir. Can I say my group first?
There you go.
Good. Okay. I got to recognize this man right here now.
There you go.
Now, he's the last of the rocks.
There is 5 generations of Blairs. Starting with my father, down to see that little girl over there that Dale is holding, Skylar. Skylar. Daddy calls Skylar. What daddy you call her? Betty Lou. Betty Lou. Came all the way from Indiana to be at her grandfather's birthday. Betty Lou. And who else is the youngest?
Poppy's grandbaby.
Nolan.
Where's Nolan?
In the house.
Okay. There's only 2 great grandchildren.
I know.
Hold on, Pootie, don't shake your head. I done did my math.
How you know all that?
Corrected.
Doug, how you know all that?
I done did my math.
You like
Daddy was the first generation.
You like
We are the second
B.
generation.
Like B used to do. Right?
Pootie them is the 3rd generation. Tima. Lexus is the 4th generation, and Betty Lou them is the 5th. Did my math, baby. Don't correct me, I'm 68 years old. And I stand here today to tell you, this man right here in this wheelchair,
It's the Grand Poobah.
There you go. You heard of they call the dynasties?
Yeah.
We used to call this when we was a kid. We used to call this the Ponderosa. Okay, didn't we? This was the Ponderosa.
What was the horse name?
There's a white horse, a white black horse.
So we have a lot of history here. I'm not going to hold you because we got a lot of free. We have 3 living aunts, if I could remember. We have Aunt Josephine, if you would stand. We have Aunt Annette, which is Mary Dawn Snow's aunt. Mom, yeah, I'm Mary Dawn Snow's mother. I'm sorry.
Mary, stand for your mama.
And we have Aunt Alma that lives in Jersey, which is Diane's mother. Now, do we have any other aunts or uncles? That's it. Okay, so we are closing the gap of 1 generation, and we are opening up for another. Now, none of my brothers or sisters have children that are younger or older, and we can't have children because we too old. Am I right, Chris?
Speak for yourself, baby. Speak for yourself.
We can. We choose not to. Yeah, choose not to.
We're going to keep the generation going. We're going to.
All right.
Miss Teresa.
We are glad to be in the number.
Okay, I want to say this. I want Poppy. And I don't say this,
I gotta say about
Pootie
Poppy
will
now.
kill me.
Where
Dad is the
Poppy at?
oldest
Where Poppy at?
grandchild
The
to
oldest.
represent the grandchildren.
Where Poppy at now?
Poppy and Pootie
was partially raised by Daddy.
Poppy.
And Pootie, Nuki, and Tima was also partially raised in the house. But if I don't say Pootie's the oldest grandchild, she'll never live.
Oh no, she everybody. Poppy and Pootie.
Okay, I'm talking over the 3rd generation. There's 17 of us. There's 17 of us. Well, it was 17. Look, we got some more. I am the oldest. As Keisha can say, she's in the top 10. There you go. Hello. Which daughter Keisha say she's in the top 10? I'm the oldest.
Jane
But
Blair.
It's me and Poppy. We share the same year. We're a couple of months apart.
Where Poppy at?
Poppy right there.
Poppy the
But I'ma
side.
tell y'all
Come on
this.
here, Bob.
I always say this about my
Poppy
mother
don't do
Sue.
all that talking.
My mother Sue was the first one to leave the family.
Always talking.
My mother Sue left when I was pregnant with AJ 15 years ago.
Poppy.
And that was
Stand
hard
over there.
on Ma and Daddy and all the siblings. But we fought. We got together. And on top of that, they always said, because I always picked that Ma and Daddy when I got old enough to say, I thought when your children start having children, y'all supposed to stop. But they did. Because my Uncle Andrew and I are a week apart. My Uncle Andrew is birthday March the 10th, mine March the 17th, Joseph March the 17th. So I don't call Andrew Uncle because we grew up together. I call him Cool and Andrew. We all go to school. Nuki called Dale one day, Auntie Dale, who would you do, Dale? We ain't in school calling you Auntie and Aunt. We ain't about to do all that. But anyway, we all grew up on him. As Shirley was saying, they cut wood. In the summertime, Sue used to send us down here to work the field.
All right, now the plantation.
We didn't have no free time. In September, at 6 o'clock, Mom said time to get up. We had to go up to that big old field and haul peanuts. We didn't get to play like everybody else.
I know that you are listening. You hear me every day. Father, please hear us, and we will be okay. Father, we need you to heal families today.
Father, can you hear me? I'm calling on your name. Not Buddha nor Muhammad, but it's Jesus we cry out loud. Father, just forgive us. Hear us when we say we'll give you everything. Our lives and souls today.